It's your boy Codehova with Fly Combinator. We're pimping Swift, and we're going to be talking about tuples. It could be tuples, tuples. There's really no guaranteed way of saying it, but I go with tuples. So a tuple is a combination of values, right? It could be anything that's more than one, but in most of the times you're going to be working with tuples that are like 2 to 4 values at a time. So what a tuple is let's just be general and be like, a tuple is going to be a string, Codehova. I'm 100% solid, and my letter is an A. Okay. So what we have here is, if we see on the value console, this is a value that's within parentheses, and the first one is Codehova, second one is 100, and the third one is the letter A. So it's like, let's say, let first equal tuple dot 0, let second equal tuple dot 1, and let third equal tuple dot 2. So we see when we're working when you're working with coding, right? Everything, when you're starting from a count, it starts from the index of 0. All right. So that's why we have 0, 1, 2. It's not 1, 2, 3. Every language, you're always going to work starting from the number 0. So the first element is Codehova, as we see here. Second one is 100. Third one is the letter A. So that's how you declare a tuple. You just so this tuple, it knows that with type inference, that if we hover over it, it knows that it's going to be of a type string, int, string. Okay. And if you want to be super explicit, so we could explicitly declare that this is going to be a string, int, character. So that, when we hover over third, this is going to be a character. That's how we rock with it. But you might be like, I don't like how it's you call out the values with the number index of where it's at. There is an answer to that. And what we do is we're going to give a named parameter to each of these values. So this could be something we just call name. This could be score, and this could be grade. All right. So after we change that, we see that this 0, 1, 2, it still works because the computer knows that name is the first, score is the second, grade is the third. I don't know how many times I could repeat that, right? But this could be name. See, it has these values out. So if I press period, we could choose which one we want to call out. Since score is the second, we want to call out the score, and this one's going to be dot grade. Boom. Same. So that is tuples. I mean. So again, we're ramping up on the basics of the Swift language. We're almost finished with the basics, but I'm hoping that you're thinking that this is fun, right? Because shit, when I learned how to code, right? Number 1, it was a good challenge. Number 2, I saw the bag at the end of the road, you dig? I saw the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So, honestly, yeah, man. If you got every video thus far, you're on the right track. You're doing good, man. So, playette, let's get this money. You dig?